teachers, you want to know my recipe? I was hoping you'd ask for my cookie recipe instead, but this, much more delicious. Firstly, start with a good base. And no, I don't mean a cake base. I'm talking about a foundation of genuine love and care. I nag because I love. And trust me, these kids know it. Every time I nag, it's like a gentle reminder. Hey, I see you. Do better. Then you sprinkle some high expectations. Not the kind where you want them to climb Mount Everest by Tuesday, but, challenging enough, like expecting them to finish their homework on time. Miracles do happen. Now, stir in a heaping spoonful of humor. Laugh with them. At them if necessary. But never, and I mean never let them laugh at you unless you've made the joke. Keep them guessing. Are you fun or frightening? Keep them on their toes. A pinch of surprise test never hurts. Just a pinch. To ensure they're not just nodding and daydreaming about the latest TikTok dance. Last, but certainly not least, a dollop of patience. Drown them in it. Because they'll test it. Oh, they will. They'll be late, forget assignments, and occasionally they might even teach you a thing or two. Embrace it. When you blend all these ingredients together, you get a recipe for success that not only fills their minds, but also their hearts. And if they complain about the nagging, just tell them it's the secret spice. Now, who wants cookies?